Sneaky repairs they don't want you to know about, and only experienced watchmakers and crafty sellers know about this. The infamous day-date wheel from the 5606 creates fear, problems, and repairs. We're going to uncover it right now. So, your date wheel, what it should look like is an item with wings on it. It's got 4 wings on it, and it's made from plastic. If you have a 5606, 5216, 5206 are made of steel. King Seikos are made of steel. Now, how these things go wrong and how they're repaired and what a bad repair job looks like. First off, if you see the wings, these 4 wings, you'll notice sometimes one wing is bent. If that wing is bent, it's going to cause problems right now and more problems coming soon. Another tricky move, they'll simply cut 2 wings off if you have a bent wing or a damaged wing. Make sure you've got 4 wings on here, otherwise the day and the date won't change as fast. You have to rotate the crown twice as many times. Another sneaky point, speaking of point, is if the point is broken off, what they'll do is put drops of glue on the end of the point and actually extend the point back out. But in time, you can bet that's going to break again. Another sneaky point, snapped rings. Snapped rings. As a matter of fact, this ring right here, it might be snapped. I've got some that are snapped, and they'll snap right there. And a sneaky repair will just simply put glue right here. So you want to look out for glue. Something else you might notice is there could be shavings around here or glue. Pieces of glue around here as well. Another tricky point. Sometimes a watchmaker will simply take a broken wing, the whole wing, and put it back on and glue it right there. But I can assure you it's going to break again. Occasionally a wing will get blunted. In that case where a wing gets blunted, sometimes they'll pinch them out with a pair of needle nose pliers and try to make a new point. But the point will not be as clean and straight as the original point. Now you understand how sneaky watchmakers are repairing these parts instead of just replacing them. If you have any questions or comments, please share in the comment section. Thank you.